Hello everyone. Today we are in TSI University, which is located in Latvia, capital city of Riga, and we came here to actually discuss about the university and what are the programs, what they have, what they can offer for the international students especially. And here with me we have a special guest from TSI University admission team, Miss Elena. Miss Elena, thank you very much. Thank you for participating for this video, and could you tell us a little bit about the TSI University?
Sure, Randy. Hi everyone, my name is Elena and I'm working in TSI admission team. TSI is the only private technical university in Baltic states which is located in the capital of Latvia, in Riga, and we are providing the education in applied sciences. The main study directions in TSI are the computer sciences, robotics, aviation engineering, and we have the management faculty as well with the programs in transport and management and with the business and management program.
Today we have visited one of this lab they have in TSI University, and I have seen the robotic innovations what they are providing even for the students, how they can study. Could you tell us, I'm really interested about this, especially the robot what we have seen today. Could you tell us a little bit about these robotic programs?
Sure, Randy. Actually we have 19 labs in TSI. You have seen only part of them. The students in robotics, they are studying in the small groups, around 10-15 students, and they receive the practical knowledge. They're studying in lab and they practice how to program exact robot, and they can see the result immediately. We have different kind of robots, starting from the small ones like housekeeping robots. We also have a type of robots, humanoid, which looks like a toy, but effectively they are very complicated and they have a lot of sensors. And we have the big industrial robots under the special protections, which students are also using for the studies.
As I know, in TSI University we have a double degree program which is combined with the UK. Could you tell us a little bit about, for the audience also, like how is the double degree program work?
Sure, Randy. In 2020, we have signed a memorandum with the British University of Bristol, which is located in the UK, and we have established 3 double degree programs with this university. The one in bachelor's degree, it is the computer science with the artificial intelligence specialization. Now it's very required field, you know.
Yeah.
And we also have the master's degree in computer science with data analytics and artificial intelligence. And one program is in management field. It is aviation management and sustainability, the professional master's degree. The studies are organized completely. The whole study process is done in TSI. But after completing the program, the students receive 2 diplomas, one from the TSI side and one from UV Bristol, completely the same as the student has studied there directly. So in one study period, the students get 2 diplomas, the British one and the European from the TSI.
So it's a really good opportunity actually, like you are paying for one university, but at the same time you are getting 2 degrees from 2 different universities and from 2 different countries also. As you know, Latvia is a northern European country. So how about when the students come from all over the world during the studies? I know it's not only about the studies, what they can do like during the study.
When the student is assigned to the studies, he can apply and receive the residence permit with the permission to stay and to work in Latvia as well. The bachelor's degree students, they can work in part-time, like 20 hours per week, and the master's degree students, they have allowance to work 40 hours per week. That means the full working day. And we also have the possibility for the students to travel all around with the Erasmus Plus exchange program. They can join 1 semester and even up to 1 year in our partners universities in the European countries and check how it is to study in the other university and not to lose the study period in TSI. So they both can combine the studies, part-time job, they can also do the Erasmus exchange program, and in TSI we have the Students' Council, which is helping the new students, the freshmen, to get into the environment, to get acquainted with the group, with the country, and they help them to feel comfortable during the study period.
As I know, in TSI University, every year international students are increasing. Could you tell us why so special about TSI and why you have so much international students?
Well, it's correct. We have 25% of our students which are from the other countries, which are international students. And they are mostly choosing the applied science programs, because with applied science degree you can easily find a job. For example, they apply on the computer science program, that is number one as for the choice of our students. They also choose the robotics, very applicable knowledge which they can use on any factory, on any type of the companies which are using the automated systems. And we also have the aviation engineering, which prepares the specialists who are checking the aircrafts before takeoff. And there are a lot of job possibilities all around Europe in the airports or in the famous aviation companies, which are searching for engineers who will be checking the aircrafts and giving the resolutions.
Yeah. As you know, in Latvia, like once the student completed their study, they have post-work rights. So how TSI University can help students once they complete their studies?
Well, Randy, I would like to mention that our university provides the applied science programs. That means it's a good choice of study opportunities for the students once he finished the program. And we are closely working with the industry, with the main companies in IT sector, in robotics and logistics and aviation. These companies are well known everywhere, and exactly in the Baltic states and Scandinavia. And once per year we invite them in our university for the career day. So firstly they give the guest lectures, they give the introduction for the students, and after it it's a kind of career fair when the student can talk directly with the HR of the company. He can get more information about the vacancies they provide, about the requirements the student needs and skills he needs to get in. And it happens each year. It means the student during the study period has several chances to take part in this event.
As I know, in Latvia, TSI University has a good reputation when it comes to students. Once they complete in their studies, companies, they are trying to come to TSI University especially. Could you tell us a little bit more about that?
Correct, Randy. And I would add that the TSI is number one among the employees' choice. So they would choose our alumni as the preference among the others. They know the quality of education which TSI provides, and they know that our students are studying in the small groups, and they have attention from the professor and study department, and this attention gives them the good chance to receive the real knowledge which they can apply in their future work.
Yeah. And also, Ms. Elena, can you tell us a little bit about the acceptance rates, as well as how you evaluating students before the issuing the acceptance letter?
We consider the applications with the completed previous education and with the overall score more than 60% gained in this education. We also pay attention on English language proficiency. The student should confirm it by providing the international certificate, like IELTS, TOEFL, Duolingo, for example, or the medium instruction letter if he completed his previous education in English. And the student should show the good result on the entrance interview with admission team.
Okay. Let's say, for example, some student they don't have an international English certificate. Do we have in TSI entrance exam?
The international certificate will be needed anyway, but we also have the entrance examinations for the bachelor's degree students. It's the interview and the tests, and for master's degree students only interview is applicable.
Actually, I want to mention a little bit about TSI University. We are working with them for a long time, and we have a really good experience, especially when it comes to students. They're helping our students, and if the student have any issues, they can come anytime to admission team along with if they have any document issues, any study related issues or anything, they do support completely on the spot. So that's one reason actually we also would like to work more with the TSI University. And thank you very much, Ms. Elena, again for coming to participate in this video. And we hope we will do more cooperation with TSI University.
Thank you, Randy, and thank you, Ahasa students, for your time. I would like to see you one day among the TSI students, and hope to see your application soon.